Dear students, now we come into the next part of the solution. So in this section, we are going to discuss about the second question that is asked in the internal evaluation 1 December 2021. So again, in this second question, it has a two part, A and B. So A part is obtain the value of del f upon del x plus del f upon del y at the point 1 1 where the function is given like that. And the second question, z is equals to f of xy is given, so x square plus cos y plus z cube is equals to 1. This relation is given, then find the value of del z upon del x and del 2z upon del x square. So let's see the first example here. First part, that is f of xy is given. So what we can analyze here in the given part. So total 10 plus 7, it is a degree is 17 here. So this is homogeneous function. Again, it is 17 degree that you can take, and it is also the here homogeneous. It is also homogeneous function, and again it is the total degree 17. So what we can see in the solution. So given function is a homogeneous function. Homogeneous function of degree 17. So we can apply the Euler's theorem, or rule. So by applying this, what we know, x del f upon del x plus y del f upon del y, this is equals to n f of xy that we know. So at x y is equals to 1 1. So what we can apply here at this level. So by putting x and y 1 1, so it will be directly del f upon del x plus del f upon del y at the point 1 1. So it will be, as is 17 here, n is 17, so you can take the 17 directly, and now you can apply here x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. So this is going to be 1, this is going to be sine 2 by 1, that is we can write here the sine 2, x to the power 17, it is 1, cos it is 1 by 2 that you can take, so it is plus cos 1 by 2. Again this is 1 and this is log 2 you can write here. So at this point 1 1, this is going to be your answer. 17 sine sine 2 plus cos 1 by 2 plus log 2 will be your answer here. Okay, so come to the next question. The second question we have given f of xy and z is equals to f of xy, and the relation between this is given. So what we can see from this relation in the solution here, what we do, we differentiate partially with respect to x. So let's take this is the one. So differentiating one partially with respect to x. So what we get here, so x square will be 2x, cos y will be constant, so it is 0. So 2x plus z cube, z is a function of f of xy, so chain rule that you can apply, so it is 3 z square and del z by del x is equals to 0, or you can write it del z upon del x is equals to minus of 2x upon 3z square. So this is your first answer. It is your first answer. So this answer is covered. Now we are talking about the del 2z upon del z square. So del 2z upon del x square can be written as del by del x, del z by del x. So it can be written as del upon del x and minus 2x upon 3z square. So this will be written in the form of, you can write this as del upon del x minus of 2x into 1 upon 3z square. So u into v formula that you can use. So by applying u into v, so it will be differentiating this 2x and this is b here. So it will be minus 2 upon 3z square plus, now 2x you can keep as, and 3 so minus 2x by 3 you can take, and 1 upon z square, differentiation of 1 upon z square change here you can use. So it will be minus 2 upon z cube, and it will be del z upon del x. So it will be minus 2 upon 3z square, minus minus plus and plus will be there, so it is plus 2 to the 4x, that you can write 4x upon 3z square, and del z upon del x that we got here, so it is minus of 2x upon 3z square. So by simplifying it, it is going to be minus 2 upon 3z square plus plus not, it should be minus here, yes, it should be minus now. So it is 8x square upon 3 to 3 3 the 9 z to the power 5. So this is your required answer. So you can match with your solution what you got. So in next we will see the more questions related to IA1. So thank you for watching this video, and more solution will be uploaded very soon. Thank you. If you have not subscribed, you can subscribe this my channel for more update.